Rick Sanchez, who stars in Rick and Morty, is a genius scientist known for his partially inspired by Doc Brown from Back to the Future. One of Rick's most iconic inventions is his portal gun, which allows him and others to travel between different dimensions and universes, a central element to many of the show's plots. Rick's family includes his daughter Beth, a skilled horse surgeon often struggling with her father's influence and absence, and his grandchildren, Morty and Summer, who frequently join him on interdimensional adventures. Oh yes, please, hit that subscribe button. And now, one takeaway from the show is that there are countless versions of Rick in the show's multiverse, each with slight variations in personality and circumstances, highlighting the show's exploration of identity and existentialism. He's famous for his wubba-lubba-dub-dub catchphrase, which translates as, "I am in great pain, please help me," from alien language.